Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the Equity Guys pre-market video. My name is Chirag, and I am certified technical analyst. And let's get into the view for today. So, looking at what we said on Friday, it was absolutely right. It was a buy on dip market, and we are heading towards all-time high. So that is a good sign, and we are actually not too far from it here. It's just around 300, 400 points around the corner. So let's get into the data for today. So looking at Nifty futures, we are trading at a 48 points premium. Bank Nifty futures trading at 44 points premium. I know it's not a lot, but it's still bullish in nature. We are getting towards the end of the month, so the gap is reducing over there. Looking at India VIX is up 7%, almost 7.3%, which is not at all good. That means the bearishness is kicking in a little bit, but let's see if that's the only problem today. Crude oil again still in that extreme downtrend that is going on, trading below that 6500 levels. So overall crude is bearish in nature, and we have bearish data coming in with it being almost down 0.26%. So not a lot, but still a significant amount. Looking at gold and silver bees, gold bees doing extremely well, another 2.67% up again today, and another silver bees up 2.16% here. So that is extremely positive data coming in at the metal side of things. Looking in at how gift nifty is today, we almost see a 200 point gap up, which is incredible coming in from the market right now. That is almost going to put us past R2 here. So let's see if what kind of day today is going to be. Looking at the stocks data here, guys, there is a little bit of bearishness coming in from the stocks. The sectoral data was not available today. Something was wrong with the website. So looking at directly at the stocks data, we see about 1200 advances with about 1800 declines. Still a slightly bit of bearish data here, but I don't think that is much to worry about with how big the gap up is, right? Looking at the FIS DIS data here, we do see a little bit of buying coming in from FIS, not a lot, just about 300 crores there, and then DIS with about 1000 crores of buying again there. But in the FNO market, we do see about 5000 crores about in index futures, and then another 400 crores in stock futures. So the index futures is really pushing up the entire index there with the FIIs. I told you guys, I've said this before multiple times. As soon as the FII start to decide to buy, um, the market is just going to go extremely high because it was already going up higher with the DIS buying, and once the FIS kick in, it just skyrockets from there. So looking at the advance decline ratio, there are about 28 advances with about 22 declines, and about 6 advances and 6 declines in Nifty Bank. So pretty neutral data coming in from both Nifty and Bank Nifty over here. Moving over to the option chain is extremely bullish in nature, as you guys can see on the right side, which is puts. We do see selling in and out, do see selling in and out to the money, and on the left side in calls, we do see buying in and out of the money in calls too. So extremely bullish data in that aspect of things. So keeping that in mind, guys, the first level of support will be this 25,700 level. Keep that mark, guys. We cannot be closing below that, and I don't think we will be closing below that today, but that is just an important level to be kept marked because that's the most immediate support as of what we have right now. But when we open up, I think maybe once the option chain changes, maybe 25,800 might be a good support to mark, and we cannot come below that. So 100 points below what we might. So moving over to the global indices, we do see Dow Jones, S&P, and Nasdaq, all of them extremely well. We almost all of them up half percent each, and extremely good data coming in from the US. Europe does seem a little bit of a bloodbath. DAX down almost 2%, FTSE down 0.86%, and CAC down almost 0.2%. Extremely negative data coming in from Europe over there. Looking at the Asian markets, we do see Nikkei is up almost 2.73%, extremely good coming in from Nikkei here, and Kospi up almost 0.76%. If we are to look at the gap for the chart for Nikkei, we do see that there's a gap up, and then there is an extremely good rally gap up. So well, hopefully the Indian markets can do that, or we are seeing a significant gap already in the Indian markets, and that is more than enough for today. So let's see what the other sets of data are saying. Indian area is looking extremely positive. Only Wipro seeing a little bit of selling here, but everything else seeing really good amount of buying, really bullish data coming from Indian areas. Finally, moving over to the futures index, the futures is for especially US futures is doing extremely positive here, about a 0.2% in US tech, 0.15% in US 500, and you see about almost a 0.1% in US 30 here. 0.1% right now, are in that range here, right? So moving over to the charts here, so, couple key things to keep in mind. We are seeing a huge amount of gap up. PCR is getting to that oversold regions. So, and with how the data is, with a little bit of negative data and stocks, and the advanced decline ratio being pretty neutral, I do think that we are going to see that huge gap up, and we are going to just see a little bit of consolidation here. If anything, we might see a little bit of move on the top, but the main thing is that there is a gap zone on the bottom here. Will that get filled anytime soon? I do not think so. It might come with a small retracement sometime soon, but as of now, our all-time high is our target. And with all-time high being the target, we are heading towards it. Another 200 points gap up will put it at a completely oversold region there. And even when we are looking at the markets from a technical analysis perspective, we are definitely getting to that region. And as you see, we have, even if you're looking at it from a pure chart perspective, we have broken these swing highs over here, and the only next sort of real resistance that we're seeing is towards that all-time high here. And I don't think that is going to take very long to come, but one thing that we have to keep in mind is that it is going to be only a 3-day trading week, because it is Diwali. So I wish all of you guys a happy Diwali, and happy trading for today. So keeping that in mind, guys, don't go ahead and trade the view. Go ahead and only trade your setup, trade one time frame, and trade one index, and don't trade your emotions. And if you guys like the video, and if it was helpful for you, make sure you guys go ahead and tune in for the next video. Thank you, guys. I will see you guys again after Diwali on the next trading day. Thank you so much.